Want to turn text into a talking avatar like this without stepping in front of the camera? In just 2 minutes, I'll show you how to create stunning AI talking head videos using tools like HeyGen, DID, and even Sora AI. Hey Visioneers, welcome back to the channel. There are a few great options depending on your style and budget. HeyGen offers lifelike avatars and voice cloning, great for marketing and YouTube. DID, perfect for educational videos, social media content, and quick explainers. Pika Labs and Sora by OpenAI. These are newer and more experimental, ideal for futuristic content. Once you've chosen your AI avatar tool, the next step is crafting your script. This is the voice of your avatar, so keep it simple, clear, and engaging. Start by writing 2 to 4 short sentences that introduce your message. For example,
I'm Ava, your virtual assistant. In this video, I'll show you how to start a dropshipping business in just 3 steps.
Keep it conversational, speak like you would to a friend. Avoid long paragraphs. AI avatars perform best with clean, punchy text. Need help writing? Use ChatGPT to generate or refine your script instantly. Bonus tip, always read your script out loud before uploading. If it sounds awkward, the avatar will too. Now upload your script into your chosen platform. Choose your avatar, pick the voice, or clone your own. Customize background, animation, or branding. Then click generate, and boom, your AI video is ready in minutes. Download your video and use it for YouTube intros, Facebook ads, online courses, or even Instagram Reels. It's your digital twin working 24/7. Ready to create your first AI avatar video? Try HeyGen or DID today. Links in the description. Like this if it helped, and subscribe to Augusta Vision for more AI tools, tutorials, and tech hacks. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. You've got what it takes to create something amazing. Keep going, Visioneer.